Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have an Azure subscription. Now create a storage account and pick the File Shares feature. Once done, choose SMB or NFS depending on clients and performance needs and set a realistic quota. You'll need access keys or configure Azure AD for identity-based access. Grab those now. Make sure the resource group and networking, VNets, NSG, allow your clients to reach the storage endpoint, because connectivity issues block everything that follows. Now mount the share on your VM or client. On Windows, use the netuse command, and on Linux, use mount. CIFS with the storage account key or an AD identity. After mounting, set share permissions and NTFS ACLs to enforce least privilege. This reduces accidental exposure. Configure quotas and pick the correct performance tier to balance cost and IOPS. Also enable encryption in transit and at rest so data remains protected during access and storage. Finish by enabling soft delete and backup to protect against accidental deletes, and turn on monitoring metrics and alerts to track usage and latency. Once complete, validate file operations from multiple clients to confirm consistent behavior. If something goes wrong, first verify connectivity, DNS resolution, and NSG/firewall rules. Then check access keys or AD token expiry. Rotate credentials regularly and prefer managed identity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.